Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, today in tutoring, Thursday, September 14th, 2017, we're going to do some rounding. Are you ready, Mia?
Yes. Yes.
I didn't hear you.
Yes.
Louder, Mia.
Yes.
Oh, that was during class. Wah, 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 wah. Tutorials.
It's not just me.
It's not. There's three of us here.
We
All
should
right.
just ask for something every week, like you stick your hand and say Snickers or something.
Yeah, okay.
M&Ms.
Milky Way. All right. So the instructions on those problems that I gave you to work on are round to the underlined digit. You with me? Round to the underlined digit. Let's look in this first. How do you say this number?
75 and 8.
Tenths. 75 and 8 tenths. So what place value is the 5 in?
1.
One's place. Good. In our little song, find your number. They have it underlined already for us. Boom, shakalaka, one part done. Look next door. Is the number next door 5 or greater?
It's great.
It's 5 or greater. Good. So I add one more. So that's 5 plus 1 is 6. The numbers in front stay the same. The numbers behind. Zero's your name. Singing, we will round you. Round you. Singing, we will round you. Round you. All right. Say this number for me, Mia.
7.
Just look at it like that. What does that number say?
758,000.
And what place value is Z8? Good. 758 thousandths. I'm sorry you can't hear her. All of a sudden she's being shy and quiet. 758 thousandths. Good. The underlying number is in what place value?
100.
Hundredths. So it's the value of the underlying number. Say 5 hundredths.
500.
5 hundredths. Good. So we found our number because they underlined it for us. We look next door. Is the number next door 5 or greater?
Greater.
Greater. 5 or greater. Even if it was 5, you'd still add one more. That's a 6.
So the number that is underlined, you add 1 more?
Yeah. You either add one more or you don't add anything to it.
Oh, then I did this all wrong.
Well, now you know the rest of the story. And we did rounding yesterday in tutorials too. So you can always watch that too. No, that's fine. That's fine. I'm going to give you a chance to do some more in a moment. Ooh, a secret note. All right, Mia. How do you say that number?
643 and 8200.
Good. 643 and 82 hundredths. What place value is the 3 in?
The ones.
Ones place. Let's find our number. We look next door. Is this next door 5 or greater? Say yes.
It's great. Yes.
Even if it's 5 or greater, then we add one more. 3 plus 1 is 4. Numbers in front stay the same. Numbers behind, zero's your name. So that would be just 644. This one would have been just 76. All right. Mia.
Yes.
That's what I call my daughter Mia. Always happens twice. I always say it twice. Please disregard Miss Tyson's loud laugh during this video. So, how do you say this number?
Sorry.
No, I don't care. Your laugh will be on YouTube.
Awesome!
172,000.
472 thousandths. You've already improved in here in just a couple minutes, in just 4 minutes, 40 seconds.
Well, I know the test.
Well, I know, but you had a little trouble with this one, and then boom, shakalaka, you got it. All right.
Miss Eisen, if you are in the building,
please call 4322. Miss Isom, call 4322.
All right, we found our number. We look next door. Is the number next door 5 or greater?
Yes.
Yes. So we add one more. 4 plus 1 is 5. Numbers in front stay the same. Numbers behind, zero's your name. Numbers behind, zero's your name. I'm going to pause this video for a moment so I can add new problems up here. Give Mia a chance to work those new problems. Then I'll unpause it. Then we'll go over them. And she's going to continue to show her brilliance. Be kind. Now the video has been unpaused. If you would like to do these problems on your own at home, pause it now, and then when you're done, you can watch as we go over them. Mia and I. Did you know my daughter's name is Mia too? How strange is that? I have 2 Mias in class this year, and a daughter named Mia that I have to yell at all 3 of them. JK. All right, Mia. Say this number for me.
9 and 956,000.
9 and 956 thousandths. Good. What place value is the underlined digit?
Once.
Behind the decimal.
Oh, 10.
Tenths. Good. So we found our number. We look next door, Mia. Is the number next door 5 or greater?
Yes.
Yes. So then I add one more. Ooh, this is tricky. What? 9 plus 1 is 10. Which means I have to carry. You have to carry, even in your rounding. And 9 plus 1 is 10. And the decimal point comes straight down. So that rounds to 10.
Yeah, I did it right.
I knew you did it right because you know what you're doing. You're a superstar. A superstar. That is what you are.
Well, when you just told me this, now I got it because
See?
you said. No,
Find your number. Say this number for me.
31 and 9, 10,
31 and 900ths. What place value is the underlying digit?
0.
What place value?
10.
Tenths. I look behind the number. I found my number. It's underlined. Look next door. Is the number next door 5 or greater?
Yes.
Then I add one more. 0 plus 1 is 1. Numbers in front stay the same. Numbers behind. Zero's your name.
I got it right.
I knew you'd get it right again. Boom shakalaka, your mom's going to be so proud. Isn't she?
So,
Isn't she? All right, say this number for me.
732 and 9100.
Good, 732 and 91 hundredths. Awesome. What place value is the underlying digit?
2.
What place value?
Oh, once.
Ones place. I found my number. I look next door. Is the number next door 5 or greater?
Yes.
Yes, so I add one more. 2 plus 1 is 3.
Again.
Got it right again. Oh my goodness. Did 4 problems. We practiced them, and then you did 3 on your own and got them correct. Do you want to continue with rounding, or would you like to see something else?
Can I do both?
Yeah.
But
Do what? Both? Okay. Both what? Both rounding and...
something else that I have.
What else do you have a problem with? You know, just something? All right. I'll tell you what to do. I'm going to put up 2 rounding problems and 2 other problems. I'm going to pause it, and then we'll come back and we'll go over it together. I am once again here with my friend Mia, and we are going to be working on the material that is on the board. If you want to work on the material that is on the board, then pause the video now, after you write down the problems, of course. Pause the video now, and then start it in a moment, and Mia and I will be going over this. Be kind to one another. It's my platform, man. Be kind. All right, Mia, say this number for me.
81 86 and 342,000.
Good. 86 and 342 thousandths. What place value is the 4 in?
10.
No. Hundredths. Good. We found our number. We look next door. Is the number next door 5 or greater?
No.
No. So we don't add one more. We don't have to add anything. Got that?
Yes.
Boom, shakalaka.
Wait, wait, wait.
But you had a 0 on the end?
I got 3 zeros. Because you
Oh, this. No.
don't add anything.
Numbers in front stay the same, so it should be 86.340.
Oh, I didn't get that, but I had the 0.
Okay.
Because you said don't add anything, so I was thinking it was 0.
Oh, yeah, I don't add 1 to this. I just leave it the same.
Oh, okay, now I know.
Okay? The second one's very similar. Say this number for me.
361 and 2100.
Good. 361 and 21 hundredths. It's important to be able to know how to say these in word form. You got to be able to switch between the two, words to numbers, numbers to words. All right, what place value is this 2 in?
10.
Tenths. We look behind it. We found our number. We look next door. Is the number next door 5 or greater?
No.
So I don't add 1 more to this. It just stays the same.
I got it wrong.
I don't care if you got it wrong. Do you know why? You don't know why you got it wrong? Or you don't know why I don't care? This is all about learning. So if you've learned, if you got it wrong and now you're like, okay, now I get it, then that's all I'm asking. It's all about learning. So
Okay.
do you understand now how to do it?
Yes.
Okay. If you're not going to add 1 to it, you just leave it the same and bring it straight down. Okay?
But just to make sure, can we keep working on running?
Yeah. You want to do some more? You want to do these or
Can
no?
we do this too?
Okay. Because we may run out. What time's your mom coming to get you?
I think she said 3:45 or something.
Okay. Well, watch this video, and I did a video yesterday on rounding 2. So work on that if we run out, because we're probably going to run out of time by the time we go over these. Okay? So watch yesterday's tutorial video. Rounding.
Mhm.
Got it?
Mhm.
But work them. Don't just watch it. Actually, write down the problem, pause it, work it, unpause. Okay? All right, what's 4 times 6?
4 times 6 is
24, good. 4 times 8? 32 plus 2?
32 plus 2
Good. 344. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry my 2, because that's 24 ones, which is the same as saying 2 tens and 4 ones. And then 4 times 8 is 32, so that's 32 tens. Plus 2 more tens is 34 tens. And 34 tens is the same as saying 3 hundredths and 4 tens. Now I'm moving to my tens place, so I want to put my first real number in my tens place. So this is just holding the place so I don't mess with it. Okay, now this is where it gets really hard. 1 times 6.
6.
6. 1 times 8.
8.
Okay, good job.
I got it.
Then I add these two products together. 6 and 4 is 10. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1,000.
I got it.
204. Of course you got it right. You're brilliant. Let's do this next one. 6 times 9.
6 and 9. It is 4.
54. Good.
Okay.
So that's 54 ones, or 5 tens and 4 ones. 6 times 3 is
18.
18 plus 5,
23.
23. Okay, done with that. Done with my ones place. Since my next number is in my tens place, I'm working here. I have 5 times 9, which is 45. 5 times 3 is
15,
plus 4,
18. Wait, no, 19.
19. Good. I add these two products together.
Got it ready.
Boom! Shakalaka! Peace out. Love ya. God bless. Be kind to one another.